Did you get stuck in a chair yesterday?
Yeah. Uncle help.
Uncle helped?
Yeah.
Did you see the fire truck?
Yeah.
What did the fire truck say? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Did you cry?
Yeah. Needed.
You cried a lot?
Yeah. Uncle help.
Uncle helped?
Daddy help.
No, not Daddy. Uncle helped. Did he pull you out of the chair?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it Awi?
Mama help.
Oh, Grandma helped too?
Grandpa help.
Not Grandpa, Uncle.
Uncle read.
Uncle Reed.
Uncle read.
Did the fire truck come?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it big?
Yeah.
Big?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you. Can you say I love you? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Smile.